This is why you need to fix your non-indexed pages right now. Missing out on search traffic? Let's change that. Hey everyone! Welcome to our guide on how do I fix pages that aren't indexed. First things first, check your Google Search Console. Look for any errors or warnings about your non-indexed pages. If you spot any, fix them ASAP. Next, make sure your pages aren't accidentally set to noindex. It's like putting a do not enter sign on your site for search engines. You can find this in your meta tags or robots.txt file. Content quality is key. Thin or duplicate content can get you sidelined. Make sure your pages are packed with unique, valuable information. And finally, ensure your site is easy to crawl. Use internal links to guide search engines through your content seamlessly. Feeling overwhelmed? Authority Solutions can help you with top-notch SEO services to get your pages indexed and boost your traffic. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more SEO tips. Thanks for watching.